Hello and welcome to this video on effective teaching strategies for the classroom. As teachers, it's important that we continuously strive to improve our methods and techniques to ensure that our students are engaged and learning. In this video, we'll be discussing some key strategies and theories that can help us create an effective learning environment. One key teaching strategy is differentiated instruction, which involves adapting lesson plans and materials to meet the individual needs and learning styles of each student. By differentiating instruction, we can help ensure that all students have the opportunity to learn and succeed. Another important teaching strategy is the use of hands-on, interactive activities, which can help students better understand and retain new information. This might include experiments, projects, or simulations. One key learning theory that can inform our teaching practices is constructivism, which posits that students construct their own understanding of new concepts based on the prior knowledge and experiences. As teachers, we can support this process by providing opportunities for students to explore, discover, and apply new concepts in authentic contexts. Another important learning theory is the concept of metacognition, or the ability to think about one's own thinking. By encouraging students to reflect on their own learning processes and strategies, we can help them become more self-aware and independent learners. In addition to effective teaching strategies, it's also important to establish a positive and supportive classroom culture. This might involve setting clear rules and expectations, providing positive reinforcement, and promoting a sense of community among students. Another effective teaching strategy is the use of technology in the classroom. This can include using educational software, apps, or online resources to enhance lessons and provide students with new learning opportunities. Inquiry-based learning is another approach that can be effective in the classroom. This involves posing a question or problem to students and having them work together to find solutions or explore the topic further. Collaborative learning, or having students work together in small groups or pairs, can also be an effective way to engage students and promote deeper learning. By collaborating with their peers, students can benefit from different perspectives and support each other in the learning process. Visual aids, such as charts, diagrams, and maps, can be useful in helping students understand and retain new information. By incorporating these types of aids into your lessons, you can make the material more accessible and engaging for students. Finally, it's important to be flexible and open to trying new things in the classroom. What works for one group of students may not work for another, so it's important to be willing to adjust and adapt your teaching strategies as needed. By implementing effective teaching strategies, considering key learning theories, and fostering a positive classroom culture, we can create an environment that is conducive to learning and success for all of our students. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips will be helpful in your own teaching practice.